Join me as I dive into the unpredictable world of Adtx stock and try to predict what's next for its future. Adtx stock has been making waves in the market lately, and it's clear that investors are eager to know what's in store for this company. With its unique position in the industry, Adtx has the potential to make a significant impact, but it's also facing some major challenges that could hinder its growth. When we take a closer look at Adtx stock, it's clear that market volatility is a major concern. The ups and downs of the market can be unpredictable, and Adtx is no exception. One day it's up, the next day it's down, and investors are left wondering what's going to happen next. This volatility can be especially challenging for investors who are trying to make informed decisions about their portfolios. Another major challenge facing Adtx stock is competition in the industry. With so many other companies vying for attention, it can be difficult for Adtx to stand out and make a name for itself. This competition can lead to lower prices and decreased demand, which can be detrimental to the company's bottom line. In addition to these challenges, Adtx stock is also facing some internal struggles. The company's financial reports have been inconsistent, and investors are starting to get nervous. Will Adtx be able to turn things around and regain investor confidence? Despite these challenges, there are some factors that could influence Adtx stock's trajectory in a positive way. For example, recent news about the company's new product line has been generating some buzz, and investors are hoping that this will translate to increased revenue and profits. Additionally, market trends are starting to shift in Adtx's favor, with investors becoming more interested in companies like Adtx that are leading the way in innovation. Furthermore, Adtx's financial reports are starting to show some signs of improvement, which could indicate that the company is getting back on track. The company's management team has been working hard to address the issues that were plaguing the company, and it seems like their efforts are starting to pay off. As we take a closer look at the factors influencing Adtx stock's trajectory, it's clear that there are a lot of different variables at play. From market trends to financial reports, there's a lot to consider when trying to predict what's next for Adtx stock. But one thing is certain, Adtx is at a turning point, and the decisions the company makes in the coming months will have a significant impact on its future. The main insight I have gained from analyzing Adtx stock is that the company is at a critical juncture. The decisions it makes now will have a lasting impact on its future, and investors need to be aware of the potential risks and opportunities that come with investing in Adtx. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's clear that Adtx stock is worth keeping an eye on. As we wrap up our discussion about Adtx stock, it's clear that there are a lot of different factors at play. From market volatility to financial reports, there's a lot to consider when trying to predict what's next for this company. But one thing is certain, Adtx stock is full of potential, and investors who are willing to take a closer look could be rewarded with significant returns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about Adtx stock or other stocks in the industry, be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth analysis and insights.